Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Good morning, guys. Welcome to yet another video of Distraction Roots. Today is my second day at this hostel. I reached here yesterday. The stay was wonderful, amazing. I'll try to take a video of this hostel and also be able to post it. Today I'm going towards Kukal. I just met a friend in the dormitory, Teju. In fact, he stays nearby my house in Bangalore. When we were talking, we got to know that. So me and Teju, we are going towards Kukal. There, my Eclipse is ready to take me around. So Kukal is around 35 to 40 kilometers away from Kodaikanal. So we are going towards Kukal, and when I checked the map, I found this place called the Palani View. It was also really beautiful. So let's go on the ride and see how it is. And I believe the ride is through Pine Forest, and it should be a wonderful ride out there. So now the map is all set. The map says it's around 35 kilometers from here, and the time is approximately 1 hour 50 minutes. So let's go towards Kukal. Come on, let's go. So this is the property of the hostel. So we'll come back and see. The view was really nice early in the morning. That's the view that we have from here. Early morning, you can see the clouds moving around. This is on top of a hill, so it's got a beautiful view. That's the view that we get from the rooms there. So Kukal, here we come. This is a lake around. This place is called the lake around. So that's the Kodaikanal lake that you see up there is the Kodaikanal lake. I just went for a walk in the evening yesterday, and it is a huge lake, man. Believe me, it took me around 6 to 7 kilometers to reach the other end or to complete one round of it. There is boating actually, but at present it stopped because of COVID. So this is the Kodaikanal lake, and we are going towards Kukal. There you see, straight Mannavanur and Kukal. I need to go straight. Upara is also towards the straight. So this is a local town here. This is the Kodaikanal town. We have few shops and hotels and all that here. So this is a rose garden that you see here. It's on the way towards Kukal. On the left side, you'll be able to see this rose garden here. Not that big, but there are a few rose plants out there. And this is the museum. There's a board, it's closed right now. This is the museum, the Indian Institute of Astrophysics Museum. It's closed right now because of the COVID protocol. So we are entering into the pine forest. It should be a crazy ride here. Kumbara 18 kilometers, Pondi 37 kilometers. There is the signboard, Tamil Nadu Forest Department. It's a wildlife sanctuary and Berijam, and I think there's another cave up there going towards that road. So these are the pine forests here. It's really beautiful. Just riding through pine forests, and the weather is completely chill. Actually, it's just at the saturation point. Even if it's a little more cold, I'll start to shiver. I'm just trying to manage because I need to ride. So it's pretty cold. I have my jacket on, but still it's cold. That's how the weather here in Kodaikanal is. It's 8 o'clock, almost 8 o'clock, and it's pretty chill, very chill. There's this crazy kind of view. I think this is the Palani view here. Stunning views. Look at that, man. Oh my god. Really beautiful. So this is the Palani viewpoint. I believe that hill out there is the Palani Hills, the famous temple, Palani temple. That's why it's called the Palani Hill. And this is Teju here. He's the one who joined along with me for the ride, and we are in the same room at the hostel. So this is how it looks here. Stunning views. So as I zoom in, there's a waterfall there. It's like two hills apart. I'm able to zoom till there, and somewhere there is the Palani Hill. So that's the Palani Hill, and I can hear some birds chirping and also peacocks. Just saw this beautiful place, a beautiful village there. So I just thought I will stop. It's like below the hill, it's up there, and there are so many houses there, and there is step farming. I think those are carrots or something like that, and it's a beautiful place. Look at that village, it's stunning and really amazing. And there's one Shirdi Kodai Sai Baba temple here, and that's the view up there. Below the hills, they have those houses and those farming. Stunning views, stunning views. That's a beautiful village that we saw from top there. I think it's called Pooparai. This place is called Pooparai, and that's the village there. Beautiful. The roads are also stunning. Kukal here. There's a viewpoint here. There's nothing, it's a village. There's a viewpoint here. And Teju had seen a video of a waterfall, like a local guide can guide you till there. And that is how he decided that we will go here. But when I came here and I asked one of the local, he told it's not allowed to go there even with the guide now. So we just came here. There's nothing else to see. There's this beautiful view here. So this is a beautiful view that we have here in the Kukal village. It's really beautiful here and it's really nice. So that's it from the video of Kukal. So catch up with you guys with yet another exciting video next week. We are trying to go to a local waterfall here. Hopefully we'll be able to go, and if we go, we will get that video. So it is Tom signing off from Distraction Routes and Kukal. Thank you.